Welcome to watch the video. Tips. First, this is a series of videos. Please refer to the methods of stitches. Ignoring the yarn color, select the corresponding yarn colors in your material package to learn. Second, please refer to both the videos and the instructional brochure during your crocheting process. Soil pots: 1 long succulent, 6 shorter succulents already. First, assemble the longest succulent in the middle of the soil. Succulents can be sewn to the soil with yarn, or they can be glued to the soil with hot glue sticks as demonstrated here by bonding. Put a little hot glue stick in the middle of the soil. Stick the longest succulent on it and wait 5–10 seconds for a better fix. Six short pieces surround long succulents, stick evenly to the soil, and can be assembled in any style you like. Note: do not apply the hot glue stick outside the soil. Succulents are fully assembled. Wait about 20 seconds and can be better fixed. Next, assemble the soil and flower pots. Take out the pink plastic needle from the kit. Thread the yarn through the pink plastic needle. Then sew it together with the inner half of the 16th circle of the pot. Two-thirds of the way through the seam, leave a small opening and fill a little padding cotton, not too much, just the right amount. Continue to sew the soil and pot together. As you sew, take care to tighten the yarn. Sew all finished, cut the tail yarn and hide the tail yarn in the pot. The rest of the tail yarn is also cut off and hidden. Beautiful succulent potted plant is fully assembled. Looking forward to your work.